respected judges, and all the audience. My name is His Salinda. Today I dress as a dustbin. Please use me. Keep the nature clean and green. Thank you.
Thank you, His Willingson and Linda.
Good afternoon, respected judges and all the audience. My name is Tobias Nehab Linda. Today I dress as Subhash Chandra Bose. Hello, I am Subhash Chandra Bose and I am a great freedom fighter. I was born on January 23rd, 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. My mother's name is Shrimati Prabhavati and my father's name is Sri Janginath Bose. People call me Netaji with love. I formed Azad Hind Force to get freedom for our country. I made a slogan, give me blood and I will give you freedom. Jai Hind, Happy Republic Day.
Jai Hind.
Thankan, I am 8 years old. I dress as a teacher. A teacher is a thought changer, life shaper to make the world a better place. Thank you.
Thank you, Fozia family.
Hello, Bora. Cricketing semua. Masak harum dalbar. Thank you.
Thank you, Zoya Milimngan.
Hello everyone, my name is Ilna Karmanaksir. I am 10 years old and today I dress like an elephant. Thank you.
Thank you, Indah Kurmen Nongsir.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Wan Shanlang and today I am 10 years old and I am dressed as Captain America from the Avengers. Happy Independence Day, everyone. Thank you.
Woo, thank you, Captain America.
Baby, let me tell you, I'm falling for you.
Good news, everybody. My name is Simon Constant. Call me Anthony School. Thank you.
Woo, thank you, Heyman Kongsin. Nongsir.
Won't be long.
Hello, my name is Tatiana Kelly Wadri and I'm 6 years old. I'm dressed as Princess Tiana and this is my prince frock. Thank you.
Thank you, Tatiana Wadri.
Hello everybody, my name is Daphne Luckman. Today I'm dressed up as a ballerina. Thank you.
Thank you, Davi Lakamen Kakungol.
I am Spider-Man. Thank you.
Thank you, Spider-Man.
Happy Republic Day, everyone. My name is Inda Manbha Aurelia Lingdot Nongpir. My dress is made out of plastics or garbage bags and CDs that had been cut into pieces. Thank you.
Thank you, Inda. Lindor Nongpur.
It's been so long, that I haven't seen your face. I'm trying to be strong, but the by my side and just hold you, tease you, squeeze you till what's been on my mind. I wanna make up, I wanna make up, we never broke up, we need to let go, I wanna.